Agape Garden, I think, is a symbol of love. If somebody asks you what is Agape Garden, I would say it's where love grows. Anybody that comes here, that walks in here, is always welcomed, and this is something you can take pride in. This is something that the neighborhood and anybody around it is very happy to be part of. It's a great expression of the love that goes on in neighborhoods and the love that we have for our neighbors and one another.
And people can come here at any time and they can just get an abundance of.
Yes, yep.
So tell us about some of the things that you have growing here in the garden.
So we try to grow the most things that will produce the most for people to get the most out of. So we have green beans, always peppers, variety of tomatoes, not just one tomato, variety of tomatoes. There's pear tomatoes, cherry, grape. We have rhubarb. We have potatoes in a bag. We try to grow things after something may have died out or maybe it's been picked over. We try to keep replanting beans or cucumbers or squash or radish. Carrots are easy. They grow in a couple, within like 30 days. So we just try to keep a rapid succession of food going.